Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contribute to open source on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the three lines where you can click on and have the home, issues, pull requests, and so on. And in the top right corner, when you click on your profile picture, we have the get status, your profile, your repositories, etc., etc. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and contribute to open source on GitHub. So contributing to open source on GitHub is a great way to improve your skills, build a portfolio, and connect with the developer community. And here are the steps to get started. First of all, you need to go and find a project. So browse GitHub to find project that interests you. You can search by topics, programming languages, or explore popular repositories. Then you can look for repositories with labels like Go to First Issue or Help Wanted to find beginner-friendly tasks. Then understand the project. Read the project README file, contribution guidelines, and any other documentation to understand how the project works and how you can contribute. Then fork the repository. Fork the repository to create and copy it under the GitHub account. This allows you to make changes without affecting the original project. Then clone the repository, create a branch, make your changes, and commit the push and pull changes. Then you have to create a pull request, engage with the community, and celebrate your contribution, of course. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next video, guys. Until then, bye, guys.